Tweet tweet, it's me, Mr. JT. Welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make one of these snazzy paper birds. Here is what you're gonna need. Some paper in different colors, preferably. Some markers so that you can decorate your bird when you're all finished. Glue so that you can glue your bird together. And lots of imagination so that you can add your own personality into the bird. Oh, also scissors, which are right here. Start out with an egg shape for the body. Now cut a little rectangle for the beak and fold it like this. And then fold it like this so that it's got like two little feet sticking out. Just like this. And when we glue it down, that is what's gonna make the little beak. Now you need a couple of little birdie legs. So I'm gonna fold this piece of paper over and then draw out one. And when I cut them out, I'll have two. Wings. Just like with the legs, let's fold a piece of paper and then cut them out so that they are symmetrical, or at least kind of. Now for my favorite part, the hair and the tail feathers. To make the hair, all you're gonna need is a long rectangle of your paper. Measure it against your little bird. Make sure that it's not going too far past the edges. Give it a trim, cutting some long fringe into it. To get the curly cues, you're gonna use a pen. Start here, start where the paper is thicker and stronger, and then tightly, tightly, tightly curl. If you'd like to have a cool zigzag tail, get a long sheet of paper and then fold it back and forth accordion style before you start cutting it. It will make your job much easier. Last but not least, we need some little eyes. I'm going to take this tiny thing of scrap paper to make the eyes out of. And now you have all of your parts, just like Frankenstein's monster. Now it's time to glue it together. Now that you have constructed your fine feathered friend, it's time to decorate them with lots of fanciness. Okay friends, I hope that you have a really marvelous afternoon filling the treetops with these beautiful birds. As always, my name is Mr. JT, and thank you for spending some time with the Dixon today. Remember to hashtag Dixon at home so that we can see all of your beautiful creations. I hope that you have a lovely day. Bye!